Let's dive into the lionfish. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything ocean related. Lionfish are a type of fish that harness venom to defend themselves from potential predators. The lionfish lures its prey in with the fleshy appendages that are near the fish's eyes. Once prey is close enough, the lionfish swallows it whole in one lightning-fast gulp. This technique is only used when the lionfish is a juvenile, however, because once the fish has reached maturity, it then knows how to hunt on its own. Lionfish can survive up to 3 months without eating, and they are an invasive species in Florida and other places. What that means is that the lionfish are in a location that they are not native to, which can wreak havoc on an ecosystem, messing up the food chain and etc. Therefore, there are lionfish fishing tournaments held in Florida with a cash reward in order to help get rid of these pests. And apparently lionfish is pretty tasty. Where is their venom stored? In the dorsal spines of the fish. If something was to try and bite on this fish, they would get a mouthful of nasty venom. Not very fun. These fish are very popular in aquariums, and it is thought that they were released into the wild by a pet owner that didn't want it anymore.